Shout out to my homeboy Fresh. Shout out to homie Fresh. He doing his thing with his Freshest Lifestyle. Shout out to Mikey B. He doing his thing with his Mikey B Productions. Hit him up for y'all pictures. He's doing pretty good at that. Look out for some Fast Life music coming your way. You know, it either might be me, you know, Mikey B, Fresh. If he has some stuff coming out, he's doing the video, so Fresh, Be Nice, anybody you looking for. Shout out to just whoever watches this video, please subscribe.
Hop about the bed, turn my motherfucking swag on. Girls on my job because they notice that I'm back on. Have to tell my ex that I ain't ever coming back home. Found a Cinderella, so I went and put that glass on. Home and I swear I gotta kill it. I'm the hottest nigga out and you ain't even gotta feel it. And know what a feeling, my money to the ceiling. I just throw them ones out, cause to me they not appealing. If that's your girl, I'm sorry for not apologizing, but I got a hotel suite that she can model in. We just hit the club and tell them to bring the bottles in. I ain't gotta say it, they already know what time it is. Yeah, man, we can do this all night. And your girl never left, cause I hit it so right. Had to keep the lights on, cause you know it's only right. And she did it so good, I had to let her spend the night. Yeah, and tell them one more time, my life is a movie, man, every single night. Oh, yeah, and tell them one more time, my life is a movie, man, every single night. Oh, yeah, and then I tell them good morning. I tell my haters good morning. Yeah, and then I tell them good morning.
And nigga,
I tell my haters good morning.
look, wake up in the morning, a nigga still yawning, thinking about the money. I'm ballin' like Spalding, Michael Jordan to the game, wanna start recording. Niggas won't beef, show me my opponent. Me and West now killing shit, we on the spree. Money taller than a tree, kids love me like a weed. And I wake up with a bad bitch on my side, yeah, she want my Pringles. More money, me, more friends, more amigos. Yeah, I do it big like fat shit. Shawty make a nigga bounce, bounce like a mattress. Better than the actress, she hotter than the devil. You would need an elevator just to get up on my level. Women dig me like a shovel, though I'm underground, unsigned, but I'm still the hottest nigga in my town. Women dig me like a shovel. Yeah, I'm underground, unsigned, but I'm still the hottest nigga in my town. Yeah.
Yeah, and tell them one more time, my life is a movie, man, every single night. Oh, yeah, and tell them one more time, my life is a movie, man, every single night. Oh, yeah, and then I tell them good morning. I tell my haters good morning. Yeah, and then I tell them good morning. I tell my haters good morning. Okay, time to get the money, pockets all chunky.
Subscribe. Please subscribe.
Get the money, pockets all chunky. I love it so much I can't get enough of it. Watch me hit my